Here it is. Power options. First, actually, I want to tell sharing. Okay. Let's see first power options. What is this power options? We're running our systems based on a battery. Usually, we are working systems on battery, right? Like your mobile phone. Think like your mobile phone. Having a when you purchase a mobile phone, what we check? How much battery? 500 or sorry, 5000 mAh, 6000 mAh, 4000 mAh, or 10,000 mAh. Like we purchase it, right? So when we see how much talk time, they give earlier days, future phones only talk time. Talk time means how long you are talking. That's the talk time, right? Okay, they will give 12 hours, means almost one day you will get it, because rarely we are using 24 hours or 36 hours battery will be there. But you start playing games, so what happened? Battery will be become zero automatically. Okay, so right, very fastly we can say, okay, easily. Laptops, 4 hours battery life, full charge 100%, 4 hours, but it is done in a one hour only. And maybe take a mobile phone, you are currently all smart mobile phones. So we call to someone, and the automatically it locks. Maybe you are watching a videos, continuous videos are there, continuous games are there. What happened? Usually your mobile phone works for more than one day. Your charge is there. Once you're done charging, next 24 hours happily it works. If you are using very light, you are using moderate, so maybe 18 hours or 12 hours. Heavy usage like keep playing games or watching videos, obviously mobile charge is completed. When I was in my hometown, so my battery is almost like a so nighttime I put a charging. 1 second guys, I am getting a call. Hello. Okay, so guys, we'll back to power options. No paused mode in the here, so otherwise we can pause it. Okay, so power options. So like see your mobile phone, you call or um, what we can say, you watch a video, the video is completed, nothing is playing, automatically screen will be off, right? So why it is screen is off? Because the more power consumption by your displays only. Even for a laptop or a desktop, more power consumption by display only. If I'm not connected to my charging, okay, so what happened? So by this time the charge is completed because of the processor will take, display will take more power, right? So here we have a certain power options. So what will happen to choose? What are the things will happen if you choose particular power options? So currently what is the power option here? We can see here it is. Go to settings, system, under system, go to power and sleep. So this is power and sleep. Direct power and sleep is showing like this. If charging is connected, turn off after. Screen will be after even though your power is, charger is connected. After 10 minutes, I didn't do anything. Just I went for a 10-15 minutes outside. I came back and see my screen will be off. Sleep mode 30 minutes. So I didn't do anything for a next 30 minutes. Next 30 minutes, I didn't do anything. I leave like that. I went for a lunch and I came back. Automatically my system go for a sleep. Okay. This is direct settings, but original control panel settings also there. Go to additional power settings, or you can directly open a control panel. There you can find these settings. Okay. You can go to directly control panel. There you can find power options. There it is showing mainly 4 options, or you can go with the 3 options. Any three is enough, but 4 is also showing in a new version. Balanced, power saver, high performance, and ultimate performance. Also read what is the text inside. Okay. To learn Windows 10, you don't require videos and all. So simply you can go through each and everything. So then you will understand. Okay. This is a full screen. So I am going to reduce it. Okay. So of course you can cut up to here also, customized plan like this. You can cut here up to like this also enough. This is enough, but I'm giving like this to know it is a direct control panel, and also there is a certain options also there. I'm going to save. I'll share this picture. Okay. So what are the options it is showing here? Balanced, power saver, high performance, ultra high performance, ultimate. Okay. So main important is first 3. So what is the power saver? Power saver is power. So here it is very simple. Say less performance wise less. For example, you are running on your system with a battery. Okay, you disconnected your power or a power cut happened. you're doing some work, small work only, not big work. It's a very small work. You are doing some browsing and all. So you don't require more power. So what it will happen? The display, the brightness will be reduced. The brightness will be reduced. So brightness also will consume more power. So then reduce the brightness. Okay. Slow down your system, not given like a you away from the system automatically. You are not using, just you use for a browsing something, you browsed it. Okay, and you left from the system within a 5 to 10 minutes, automatically screen will be off like this. Less performance, more battery saving. Okay, high performance, more performance. Performance is increases. Okay, and less battery saving. Okay, so battery will be consumed very fast. Be away from the system. Screen won't off even for a 10 minutes or 15 minutes also. That's the first thing. Second thing is brightness is high. Okay, so not regular speed only it will work. Balanced. It balance performance and battery saving also. Ultimate performance is concentrate on performance only. Okay, same thing as high performance. Okay, not much differences, but more performance, very less battery saving. Okay, so you are running your system with a only battery currently, like power is off, no, unable to put a charging. Battery saver is better. You are having a charging, or maybe you are doing some work, some really a work is work, then put a balanced mode. So power saver or a balanced mode. So only 10-15 minutes only you are not having a charge like that. High performance, you are doing very big task. For example, you are doing work with your virtual machines. You are working with your virtual machine. Okay, or you are installing some operating system, or you are working with some application, heavy application. So compulsory guys, charging is important. I've seen lot of people. So when they are working with the laptops, they try to drive the laptop to 0%. Even though 20% battery also, they don't put a charging. 15%, 10%, they don't put a charging. People, because of, we are all studied in a different universities, different colleges, but all we are educated means we gain the knowledge from the WhatsApp and Facebooks only. And there is a bakwas people also there. Okay, there is good knowledge is there, but we gain waste knowledge there. So I will tell what is it. I have opened something instead of something. No. Paint. Okay. So the first one is like understand battery management, guys. This is your battery, 100% battery. This is your 100% battery, or you can use like this, your 100% battery. Okay, 100%. Always use, if you are doing heavy task, compulsory charge. Heavy task, compulsory charge. Light task, that is up to you. But whatsoever it is, never, never fall down less than 50%. Never fall down less than 50%. Your battery is running. Now your system is running on battery. Your battery will be down like within like a half an hour, 1 hour like this. When it reaches the 50%, at least it's about to reach the 50%, put a charging and use it. Once it is 100%, you can unplug it, no problem, or keep the charging, no problem. Okay. So don't let less than a 50%. That is a good performance of your battery will increase. Lot of people will tell you can drain the battery, make it as a 10%, 20%, or make sure like it is 0% kind of stuff. What will happen in this kind of ideas? For example, it is already like a 10% or a 20% is there. Now you put a charge and you are working. In this kind of stuff, never work in your laptop. Better shut down, put a charging and shut down your system or put it in a sleep mode. Okay, don't never use less than this 20%. It is very dangerous mode. Why I tell? Look at here. Guys, this is electronics. We all know basic electronics, right? So whatever the engineering background you are there, we all know the basic electronics. Potential differences. Okay. So when your battery is low in charge and you put a charging, if you can see your laptop or a mobile phone also, very low charge, you put a charging, battery will get heated. Battery will get heated. Why it is heated? It is trying to draw more current from the charger. So it damages your charger. More current, it draw the more current. So automatically it damages your charger. It damages your battery. Battery will get heated. Battery will get heated. The heated battery will damage surrounding circuit because your battery is, earlier days, battery is very adjacent to the motherboard, very adjacent, very near. So then battery, the heat is in on your circuit, laptop circuit. It is a SMD devices, SMT technology, SMD devices. So the soldering on it also not very strong. It is strong, but up to particular heat level only. But the more heat, it damages your components, damages your processor, damages your RAM, damages your circuit, damages the power supply circuit. So what happens here? One is your charger will be possible damage, battery damages, and on another hand, your laptop damages. Of course, if you are maintaining correctly, but still after 2-3 years, the battery will be performance will reduce. Performance of battery reduce is okay, little bit okay, like 1 hour, half an hour is okay, no problem. Even for half an hour it is working also, no problem. Okay, but it is if it is producing lot of heat, even though if it is having 60-70% of charge, producing lot of heat, okay, or not at all charging, better to go and change your battery. Okay, this is the second battery I'm using. Okay, I use my laptop for almost like a 2014 onwards. I am using. It is purchased in 2013 or 14. My sister purchased from almost like 14, 15. I'm using this laptop. 15 onwards I'm using. Okay, so almost like it is around 9 years, right? Within 9 years, this is second battery. Okay, so almost like 4 years back, or 4.5 years, because I joined here, it is 4 years. So almost like 4.5 years back, I changed my battery. Still it is working good. So last time why it is my battery is damaged because of I leave my system like that and I left, and my nephew played a game and he put a charging, but the charging is not connected properly. The back end game is it's drained my battery, so it is completely drained and it is not restarted. It is not go to sleep mode. That is important. Next one is lot of people don't shut down. They don't shut down their machines. Instead of shutting down, they put the machine into sleep mode. That is also very dangerous. I am telling about all maintenance related, guys. Maintenance of system is very important. So that's the first point. Okay. So how to maintain your system? So one point I told about a power saver mode, power options. So that is very important. Balanced or a power saver if you're running on a batteries mainly. If you're running in a plug connection, you can use high performance. If you are doing very big task, high performance or balanced. Okay, so these two are very important. If you are doing very big task, high performance. Compulsory charge connection is important. Okay, next, never drive your battery less than 50%. Okay, so compulsory connect a charger at a 60 or 55%, connect a charger. That is important. Next, to maintain your batteries or a system, the first thing is make sure your battery performance good. Always put a charging mode only. Even if you are unable to put a charging, so make sure not fall down 50%. Shut down your computer if you are not using, like nighttime completed. So now it is evening, like 11 o'clock. So I shut down my computer at 11:30. I shut down my computer. Okay. So if I am still using, sometimes I use it for 12:30 also. Okay. Like I want to learn or I practice some Python or like that. So I'll keep using. So if I'm working, that's, if I'm not no longer working, I shut down. Morning I require start. So then I start my computer at 9 o'clock. I shut down at night. But don't put your system frequently in a sleep modes. Wanted, like they put a today work is completed. Work is completed. Like I'm coming from Monday, what happened? I went to office. So I'm leaving from office in afternoon, evening. So I shut down my computer. I came to my room and then I started. I didn't put my system into sleep mode. Why? Because of in a sleep mode, battery won't consume. But the frequent sleep modes, no restarts, your system become weak, your hardware become weak, your disk become weak, your battery performance is also weak. So that's a keeping in mind. The background tasks are running. Next one is startups. The next one is startups. So if you are having more applications, more startups will be there. More startups are there. So if you have more startups, better to disable the startups. So many things are not required. For example, this is a screen recorders related. Okay. I don't require to start immediately. When I require, I will use it. Teams are required because I'm currently conducting classes on a Teams only. Okay. Um, Edge is also not required. OneDrive is not required. Update is not required immediately. So my Java update scheduler is not required. Okay, like this. Certain things are not required. Certain things may require. So compulsory disable enable the things. That is first of all. Next, you can disable the services. Next, I will tell how to manage the services also. Next part, I will tell how to manage the services also. Okay. So disable the services or stop the running services if no longer is required for a particular services. Some services are required, some are not required. Next, uninstall the applications. Go to your control panel. Go to your control panel. Okay. So then go to how to uninstall programs and features. Of course, you can do from the settings also. If application is no longer required, your application is no longer required, better to uninstall that application. For example, Apple mobile device support. I am not using currently. Bonjoro something is there, so that is not required. For example, okay, or a packet tracer 7.2 not required. Or I'm not teaching CCNA now, not required. Okay, Zen Center. No one is asking what is Zen Center also. Okay, I install it, but I can uninstall it. So what are the things not required currently, or no longer you are using? Better to uninstall it. Why uninstallation? I'm telling because of if you uninstall the application, it save your C drive first of all. Okay, your device space will be saved. Services no longer running. Startups are not running because of that one. That related startups not running. So unnecessary background task is reduced. Certain services is even though you are not using, it runs in a background. It runs in your background. Okay. Certain applications will take more space. For example, you can see it take 1.22 GB more disk space. So this is my Oracle 12C. I don't require so, but is 4.36 GB it is consuming. Okay. I will install a less edition, or maybe I will install in another virtual machine. Okay. I practice only 2 days only, and then I leave it. So because for me, I don't use that one. Usually I don't touch it. Okay. That too, 12C is not required. So 21C it is not 12C also. Okay. So like that. So better uninstall the application. It saves your drive space. Second one is unnecessary background task will be reduced. Okay. Unnecessary service running, startups, this will be reduced. So the performance will be increases. Performance of your PC will increases. It's not all about always like a virus, no virus kind of stuff. Okay. So you can also improve your performance. That's the point I want to tell. But I didn't done one important thing is that is in the power options. My virtual machine is shut down. So we'll see that one. Why power options are not running? Power. So direct power option is there. So not like this. Power space options. It is giving my settings related only, not a control panel related. So sleep mode, screen mode. Okay, with battery, without battery. Okay, with battery, without battery, like that. Additional power settings. These are the things. Not showing other options. The difference between one power option to another power option is mainly time. Time. I have to tell that one before I'm telling this one, but guys understand the power related, battery related maintenance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So in battery saver mode, so again I will take this balanced power saver high performance. Okay. So this is my battery. So if I click on this battery, it is asking you which mode you want it. Best battery save, best performance, or better performance. Okay. Or you can go to battery settings. Also you can go to it. It is game. Because I am showing in virtual machine, I will show in there only. Okay. And also you can see in the notifications battery saver. Okay. If I select this battery saver, automatically I'm in a power saving. Okay. So that is very important. I've seen a lot of people like people are keep telling like make it a zero, completely discharge your battery. Okay, that is core battery technologies. That is different. I worked in a organization after my diploma, before engineering. So after my diploma, I have to work for 6 months as my course part curriculum. So they're mostly biomedical equipment only because my diploma is biomedical. Okay, so medical equipments only I worked. But main important there is soldering and circuit soldering, and next one is battery faults. Like a lot of devices, their batteries will be damaged. Like now we are using uh, nickel cadmium batteries now. So there is also like a liquid cadmium batteries. You have to solder and remove the faulty batteries, resoldering it or rearranging it, charging it. Okay, testing like that. how much current it is there, like that. So you can go to directly control panel. So otherwise you can go from here. You see, this is a balanced change plan. Change plan settings. So turn off the display and put the sleep. So turn off the display 10 minutes, put it in a 30 minutes. Meaning is, so you didn't do anything, just you leave your system for a 10 minutes and you went outside and come back after 10 minutes, your screen will be off. You leave your system for next 30 minutes. You didn't done anything, nothing is running. Okay, normally task is not running. Like you are paying a video, that is different. You're playing video means continuous task. You open a browser and leave it, so that is, you open a Gmail, it is, task is completed. Okay, so that is 30 minutes. Okay, so like you didn't done anything, so nothing is running, so automatically after 30 days system go to sleep mode. Power saver, change plan settings, you can see 5 minutes only, the difference is 5 minutes. So you put in a system in power saver, you didn't done anything for next 5 minutes, screen will be off. To save the battery, system will go to 15 minutes, within 15 minutes go to sleep mode. High performance, change plan settings. Okay, in a high performance, turn off display after 15 minutes. You didn't done anything for the next 15 minutes, display is off. Like you move your mouse, automatically display is on. Okay, it never go to sleep mode, never go to sleep mode. Of course you can change the settings as per your requirement. If in case, I said no, same for this one also, ultimate performance. Okay, so here it is. If you want to create your own power plan also, you can create a power plan. And also you can see, choose what power button does. You press the power button. Earlier days, you should not press the power button. You should shut down that then only. So to power on only, shut down the power button. But if you press the power button, now it is given option shut down. So you press once, it will shut down automatically. Or it do nothing, sleep, like that. Now you configure for a sleep. You want to put your system in sleep, just power button, it go to sleep. Like you can configure these options. Okay, sleep work clock is disable mode, like this. Okay, do nothing. Like sometimes in home, small kids are there. They're roaming and they press the power button. System goes shut down. So what you have to configure? Do nothing. Do nothing. Okay. So for example, you have to go somewhere urgent, like you put a system, you went outside, but you want to put a system sleep mode. So simply press the power button, it will go to sleep mode. So which mode you want to configure, you can do it. Turn off display or shut down or sleep or do nothing. So these are the things. Okay, so these are about your power plans: balanced, high performance, power saver, and ultimate performance. I select high performance. High performance never goes sleep mode. Okay, so choose when to turn off the display, create a power plan, change when change when the computer sleeps. Okay, so like this, these are to manually you can configure directly, or you can create your own power plan, or you can choose existing one, and also power button. So these are the things are in your power options. Ultimate performance. Okay, I put a ultimate high performance. So here it is, you can see balanced 10 minutes screen off, 30 minutes sleep. Power saver, display off, just 5 minutes and go to sleep mode. 10 minutes. Display will be off to save your power in a 15 minutes. Sleep. Never. These are the default settings. These are the default settings. If you want to change these settings, you can also change it. You can put a sleep mode for 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes you don't work, put a sleep mode. Like that also you can do it. Okay. So sleep don't kill anything. Just don't utilize your power. Nothing will run in a sleep mode. Nothing background cells won't run in a sleep mode. Okay. So this is it about your power options and battery maintenance. Just I'll stop here, and as well as